Ah.
You would honestly have to pack up everything.
Yeah, she's had a really... Oh, fuck.
Fucking hell, man. The fuck?
A bit too deep, so the next time I've got to brake 2 meters earlier and execute a better corner. And there's a lot. And, you know, there's races we go, there'll be 100,000 people, but when you're in race mode, you don't.
Height, so no frost. New hire, Gareth and Andrew, New South Wales, for New Zealand and Queensland in November, then it's a bit later, probably going to commence December 11th.
October 14 at 12 p.m.
Jesus. No lights or anything. Jesus. Fuck! I got all of that on my dash cam.
Fucking idiots!
Jesus.
Just got that on camera.
Can't be in the broadbands.
Look at you, you stupid bitch! How do you get fucked at all?
Don't mess with her.
Oh, sorry, mate. I'm sorry.
No,
Oh my god, I'm just sorry that I said that in front of your kids, man.
no.
Oh, Jesus Christ. No, it's unbelievable. Oh well, a bit of entertainment for you on your way home anyway, right?
Well, they know.
Wait till you guys get your license. It's joy out here. I mean, look at her! Unbelievable. It's just not worth it sometimes, right? Yeah. What the hell was that?
Stuff really early, and some girls got some good rain in May, and but most missed out. And then it just had such a mild, soft, wet finish.
578.
love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.